Hey guys! Run! I'm videoing. Run! There's Gus running. There they go! Woohoo! Woohoo! Charlie loves it. Little Lily burns a lot of energy doing that. Look, there she goes. Hop, hop, hop like a bunny. Loose! Lucy! There you go! Get everyone running! There you go! Petey, I want to see some exercise going on. Oh gosh! Da-dunk, dunk, dunk, dunk. Yay! Wrong way, Peter. The whole group's the other way. Oops. Okay, sorry about the camera. Hey, Cody! Who loves the snow? Cody loves the snow and coconut. Cody, you were racing around like a madman. That's a good boy. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Oh, you tell everyone. You tell everyone. There we go. Oh, Gus. Gus is complaining that he finally got up there and everyone just left. Woohoo! Lucy! Lucy! Coconut! Hi! Here comes Coconut. Anna Lily. Anna Lucy. Hi! Hi! Peter, what do you have to say? Chase the beagles.